Ramadan is just a few days away and these spring rolls will be perfect for iftar. Start by cooking some chicken breast in salt, pepper, ginger and garlic paste, chili and soy sauce. Cook for 5 minutes over a medium to high heat. Then add in some carrots, cabbage, peppers, spring onion and the juice of half a lemon. Stir fry it on a high heat until all the liquid has evaporated. Then assemble using a flour and water mixture to seal the spring rolls. Deep fry until golden and enjoy. You can make a big batch, freeze them and fry throughout the month.
This is Ramadan recipes where I'll be cooking 30 recipes for 30 days of fasting. Today we're making keema and cheese paratha using these frozen paratha. Let it defrost for a couple of minutes, then on one half add cheese, keema. I used onions here, you can also add jalapenos, whatever veg you want, some more cheese and then fold it. Make sure you seal it with a fork, this part is important. And then cook it in a pan for about 2 minutes on each side until it's crispy. It's not fully cooked yet, so we're going to put it into the oven for another 10 minutes on medium heat. You can see it puffs up and that's when you know it's fully cooked. I topped mine with crispy chili oil and some spring onions. These are so addictive and easy to make and the perfect snack to open your... This is Ramadan recipes where I'll be cooking 30 recipes for 30 days of fasting, and today we're making this spicy chicken pull-apart garlic bread. Whew, that was a mouthful. Start with your chicken, saute onions and chilies, then add a big tablespoon of tomato puree and the following seasonings before adding your cooked shredded chicken. Now for your garlic butter, you need 8 cloves of garlic, a pinch of salt and a handful of fresh herbs, and bash it together until it forms a paste. I added 2 big spoons of ghee, but you can just use regular butter, then melt it. I would recommend using sourdough bread because it's the best, but you can use any loaf. Slice it like a crosshatch and then start filling your bread. Garlic butter first, then your shredded chicken, and then lots of cheese. There's no actual technique, just get every crevice filled. Give it a final brush of garlic butter and then put it in the oven for 25 minutes. And there you have it. Disclaimer, this is obviously not a healthy recipe. Don't eat this if you're lactose intolerant. I am in fact lactose.
That didn't even need an introduction. Peel, cut, boil, drain, and mash your potatoes. Transfer to a plate and in the same pot add some oil, cook down some onions, jalapenos, garlic, and the spices you see on the screen. Add oil if needed and cook down for 2 minutes, then add frozen peas, the potatoes, and some cilantro. And that's your samosa filling. For the dough, we're going to use paratha, which is a type of flatbread that's going to give the samosa more of a pastry-like feel. I lightly cooked both sides and then carefully separated the 2 layers. Cut in half, then spread some flour water paste on the top right edge and fold to form a cone. Add some filling, more paste, and then press the edges shut. Lay all your samosas on a baking tray, brush with oil, and bake for 12 minutes. And you have a beautiful crispy samosa. I serve this with some homemade chutney, and that's it. Enjoy!
This is Ramadan recipes where I'll be cooking 30 recipes for 30 days of fasting, and today we're making mini samosa. Start by sauteing finely chopped onions until brown, then adding your minced meat. Then add the following spices and mix well. I'm using mutton, but you can use whatever meat you prefer. Add your potatoes, a quarter cup of peas, mix and let it cook for 20 minutes. Then take your wonton wrappers, which you can find from your local Asian food store, and seal one side using water. It's important to keep the other side open so you can fill it with your samosa mix. Then seal tightly with some more water. Make sure it's sealed all the way around and then it's ready to go in the fryer. It only needs about 3 minutes until it's golden brown, then you're ready to plate it up. I topped mine with crispy chili oil, but you can use whatever you like, and that is it.
Hey guys, today we're making these delicious chicken pies which I love to have at iftar. On a medium heat, add some butter and onions to a pan along with some chicken, salt, ginger and garlic paste, crushed green chilies, white pepper and the juice of half a lemon. Cook for 5 minutes and then add in some veggies and your favourite chili sauce. Stir fry on a high heat until all the liquid has evaporated. Then assemble using puff pastry, egg wash and some sesame seeds. Bake until nice and golden and enjoy.
ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا زعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا زعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه قولوا